If you're not sure when to follow up and it's causing you to lose sales, you may be making this critical mistake. Today's video is about the most neglected step in selling. Keep watching. Hi, I'm Christine Harrington, the Savvy Sales Lady, your personal YouTube sales coach. The most critical step when selling is the follow-up. And if you're not following up during a critical window of opportunity, well, you're likely to lose sales. Many salespeople don't follow up properly because of the fear they'll be perceived as a pest. People say, if they're really interested, Christine, the buyer will contact me. While waiting for the prospect to contact you, the competition has swooped in and closed the sale. Professionals follow up within a short period of time, yet the most common pattern I see when coaching salespeople, they wait longer than a week to make a follow-up call. The critical follow-up opportunity should be within 48 hours of meeting with the prospect. Every minute after that, you become a fading memory and less of a priority. Your goal is to remain a priority in the prospect's mind, but you must first set the stage for follow-up. Step 1, let the prospect know when you'll be calling within the next 48 hours. Make it a natural next step in the selling process. Remember, the prospect doesn't know your sales process, so it is up to you to communicate it. Say this: Mr. Prospect, I'll call you in a couple of days to see if any questions have surfaced. You can use this in an email, phone call, or face-to-face. Then ask what time is better to call, morning or afternoon. Using the words to see if any questions have surfaced is a softer sell than saying, I'll follow up on Tuesday and get you started. The buyer will react strongly to that hard sell. I had someone recently pitch something similar to me and I immediately shut down, and so will your buyers. Step 2. After you and the buyer have agreed to a day and time within the next 48 hours, be sure to follow up. I know that sounds insane, but how many follow-up calls and emails have you missed? On the morning of the call, send a reminder email to the buyer. Then make sure you make that call at the appropriate time. If the call goes to voicemail, I'll coach you on how to handle the voice message in an upcoming video. Selling is a conversation, not a hard sales pitch. And remember this, selling is a journey, not a quick trip around the block. See you in the following video.